50 years later on Halloween night.
Jasmine, you can come in. So, you like your new room?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, I redecorated it.
You're really good.
All your little posters.
Well, you know how much I love that 10 years ago.
Yeah. So, found this doll. They left it here, and I think it's pretty cute. You can have it.
It's kind of scary, but reminds me of my old boyfriend, but I'll take it anyway.
Your boyfriend was in a dress. And
Trust me,
was a
you do
girl.
not want to know.
I don't want to know. So, you know, some people say this place is haunted, and I don't know. Trick-or-treaters. Great.
Great.
What do you want?
Trick or treat, slow beat.
What is this? Mommy! Mommy! What do you want?
The doll was talking!
Sure it was.
I swear! I heard somebody say kill!
Maybe it was Zac Efron, or maybe it was your ex-boyfriend in the dress.
Maybe.